Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the image prompting in Photoshop Beta. And also, we will dive deeper into writing prompts on the image with the use of text tool and brush tool using select all, generative fill, and with the partner model, Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana. So let's get started! So here in our document, I prepare here an image of a kitchen. Then on the other document, I prepare here two images that we will be using to generate an image. So to do that, all I'm going to do is to bring these two images on our original document. So I'm going to press Ctrl plus A to select all, then press Ctrl or Command plus C to copy. Let's go back to our original document, then press Ctrl or Command plus V. There you go. Now let's just rescale this one. Press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. And let's put this image to here. Then hit enter. Also the other one. Alright, so you can put this image somewhere else. Alright, let's put it here. Okay. Then hit enter. Now next up here is we're going to write down the prompt on the image that we want to happen on this photo. So get the type tool and let's type here the prompt. So I'm going to make use of this green text color. Then I'm going to type down here, put the kid on the black chair with the same pose. So press Ctrl plus T. Then let's rescale to something like this. Make sure that AI will be able to read it properly. Okay, and also here, we're going to add a prompt here. So here's the prompt. The man preparing a dish wearing a black apron. Okay, so let's set the size to this. All right. Also here, I'm going to type down here, red, furry, mat. There you go. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Now the next step here is we're going to add some arrows. So we're going to make use of a brush tool with that. So down here, let's go and create a new layer. Then press B for the brush tool. Then I'm going to set also the color to green. And then I'm going to create a circle. Okay, something like that. And then we want the man here on the kitchen. So I'm going to create an arrow. Make sure that's an arrow. It's a visible arrow. So something like this. And also the kid. Let's create a circle around this. And let's add an arrow to this chair. Okay. And also it says here red furry mat. Let's add an arrow over here. Okay. I guess AI will be able to read this one well. Now, let's add the prompt. So if you have an image like this, well, it's impossible that all the prompts will be on the image. So now let's go and press Ctrl plus A to select all. Now, once we already have a selection, go to the context taskbar, then click on Generative Fill. So from the prompt, I'm going to write down here, complete the prompts in green. Then remove the prompts and sample images. Okay. Now let's go and click on the partner model we're going to use. So click on this icon and set the Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana that is under partner models. Now we may be able to start generating the image. So click on this. Let's see how it works. All right. So the image is already generated. So we have here a perfect generated image. So look at that. So the guy making a meal, the boy sitting on the black chair, and where we put the arrow at, then the mat over here. All right, now that's how it works. So yeah, this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to do image prompting in Photoshop Beta.